Hey friends, you are welcome to this session. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can be able to create our YouTube channel from scratch. And we have two kind of YouTube channel. We have the personal YouTube and we have the brand YouTube. And we are going to be focusing on creating the brand YouTube. That is because the brand YouTube has a lot of functionalities. You can have access to customize anything on your YouTube while you are using the brand channel, and also other people can have access to help you manage your YouTube channel. While the personal YouTube, you only have limited things to do with it. So there are a lot of people who have YouTube channel, they don't know the kind of YouTube channel they have. So in this tutorial, we are going to cover it up so that you can learn how you can change or switch your personal YouTube channel and then make it the brand YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So it doesn't really matter if you are using your phone or you are using your PC. So in this tutorial, I'm using my PC, and anything we touch here is the same way you also do it on your phone. So just follow up and get started. So now to start with, you can go to your URL and type on youtube.com. You can see my URL. This is youtube.com, and when you enter youtube.com, so it's going to bring you here, and if you see the top right here is telling me to sign in, and that's because I've not signed in with any account. So once you get here, you signed in. So even though you've already signed in and you are seeing your account here, it's okay. But if you want to log out, you can just log out and follow from the beginning. So I'm just going to sign in. I click on sign in. So once I click on that, it's going to bring me here, and here I'm going to see a lot of accounts, the Google account or Gmail account that I have that I can use to log into my YouTube. So you can go ahead and create from scratch, and you can remove any one of the Google account from here. So here I already have, and I'm just going to click the one I'm going to use. So if you don't have any Google account showing here, you can go ahead and click on use another account, and under another account you can go and enter your email address, or you can click below. You will see an option below to tell you to create from scratch or to create one. In case you do not have any email and you are going to create from scratch, please listen, this is a tip. You need to create a business email. Creating your email from scratch, you will see two options. One is personal email and the other one is business email. Click on the business email. If you click on personal email, it means you are going to use that personal email to create a personal YouTube channel, and inside your YouTube you have to go and be switching it to become a branded YouTube. But if you click on the business email, if you select the business email option, it means you are going to directly create a brand YouTube. I believe you get the logic. Now I already have an email here. What I just need to do is to select the one I'm going to use. So I'm just going to click on this. So here I'm going to enter my password, and I will click on next. So once you get here, you are going to click on this icon. So now you can see it's showing create a channel. Because you don't have a channel, so I'm just going to create one. I click on create channel, and here I'm going to add the name of my channel. So you can go ahead and add any name you want. I'm just going to say Philip1, and I'm going to click on create channel. So now you can see we've been able to create a YouTube account, and note this YouTube account is our personal account. So now to be able to create the brand account, you have to create another YouTube account. So now we go to the icon, and now you come to settings, and here you click on create a new channel. So here we are going to give our channel a name. I'm just going to say Philip2, and now I'll click on I understand, and I'll click on create. So now you can see we have Philip2, which is our second YouTube channel. So now we are going to merge it to make it one YouTube channel, which is to become a brand channel. So to do that, so we are going to come to our icon here, and now we are going to click on switch account. So under switch account, you can see we have two channels. So what we are going to do is to merge these two to become one. So to do that is very easy. What we need to do is to make sure we select the first channel, which is our main YouTube channel. So when it is being selected, so now it has been selected, and if you come here to your icon, you are going to see it here is the one showing here. So what you are going to do is to go to settings, and now you are going to come to view advanced settings, or you click here advanced settings, and here you are going to come to move channel. You click on move channel to a brand channel, and here you are going to send a message through your Gmail account that you use to create that YouTube channel. So you get the logic. So you go to your phone or anywhere you can access your email, and then you accept it. In most cases, it can also be, they are going to send you code through your phone or anywhere where you can access it, and you just go and check. So I'm going to open my phone to access. So now I've been able to access it, and now I'm here. So the next thing to do is to click on replace, and now you can read all through, and now you click on this box to accept, and now you can click on delete channel. So deleted channel will not affect anything, so it's just going to help you remove the channel you don't want and merge it with the other one. I click on delete channel, and now we are clicking on move channel. You can read through to understand better. So it's going to take 10 minutes to propagate and make the two channels to become one. So once everything is done, you can come to your icon here, and now you can go to switch accounts. So now you can see the first channel here is showing no channel, and now the second channel we have a channel there, and you click on the second one. So now I'm so sure you now have a brand YouTube channel. So to be able to check that, you click on your icon and you go to YouTube Studio. So I'm going to click on continue, and now I am on my YouTube Studio. So what you need to do is to click on settings, and now you come to permission, and here you can see it said keep managing permission in your brand account. So now it means your account is now a brand account, so you can have this brand account if you follow the process we just walked through. So in case you come to your YouTube Studio and you come to your permission and it's not showing anything as brand account, so you need to follow the process we followed to have a brand account. Another tips I'm going to help you to understand is to make sure you are eligible to post a video, to upload a video that is more than 15 minutes, and also have the privilege to customize anything you want to customize on your YouTube channel. So to do that is very easy. We are still going to do that on our YouTube Studio. So to do that, you click on channel, and on our channel you come to features eligibility. So here we can see the first one has been enabled, and the second one, which is video over 15 minutes, customize thumbnail and live stream. So to be able to get this benefit, you have to enable this as well. To do that, click on it and verify your phone number. So now you are going to select which one you prefer. So I'm going to use test me. So I'm going to enter my number, and I'll click on next. So here you are going to enter the code that was sent, and you submit. So it has been verified, and if you come back and you refresh it, and now you can see it has been enabled. So this third one, there are different options in which you can use to make it enabled. So to get this benefit, you have to click on it, and you scroll below, and you have to see things you have to submit. So you submit one of these three to be able to get access to this feature. So you can get access, click on access features, and now you can see number 1, number 2, number 3. So you can go ahead and read through. So anyone you think you fit in, you can go ahead and next and complete this session. So some might take you a few days and some might take you months to complete. So I know you'll be able to complete it as time goes on. So you just go ahead and see the one you can do. And now we've been able to learn how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. So all you just need to do is to follow this tutorial a step at a time, so that you'll be able to get to the end of this tutorial and have your YouTube set up very well. So now we are done with everything. We close. So now we can go to our YouTube channel. We come here to our icon, click on your channel. So now here is our channel, and it's very empty. So in our next tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can be able to customize this on our YouTube channel. All right, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye.